Hey, it's me, Wyatt again, and I'll be providing some nutritional information for your spaghetti squash with balsamic beans meal tonight. Starting with the ingredients, spaghetti squash is a low-calorie, nutrient-rich vegetable with mild flavor. It is a great source of vitamin C, B6, manganese, and potassium. Next, we have two different types of beans. Beans are notorious and known for being high in fiber. So your first bean is lima beans. They're nutritious, rich in protein, but however are not a complete protein. They are also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Lima beans are also a good source of copper, manganese, folate, iron, thiamine, and potassium, all good for your diet. Your other bean, kidney beans, are a great source of protein, fiber, and several vitamins and minerals. Kidney beans are particularly rich in folate, iron, and phosphorus as well. Moving on to your condiments and seasonings, you have balsamic vinegar, which is a low-calorie condiment, low in fat. Uh, it is mainly for flavor and is low in most nutrients, but is great for your flavor. Your honey mustard contains moderate calories, carbohydrates, and sugar with minimal protein fiber. Honey mustard is popular condiment, rich with flavor. Lastly, you have garlic, which is low in calories, fat, and sodium. Garlic is a great source of vitamin C, B6, manganese. It also contains many minerals like calcium, iron, potassium, selenium. And yeah, I hope you enjoy your dinner and have a great night. Thank you.